Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to withdraw money from your Phantom wallet to your bank account, step by step. Since Phantom is a self-custody wallet for Solana and SPL tokens, we will need to use a centralized exchange as a bridge. Let's get started. Before we jump, here's how it works. You will send crypto like Sol or USDC from Phantom to a centralized exchange like Coinbase, Binance, or Kraken. They will sell the crypto for fiat currency. Finally, withdraw that fiat to your bank account. Let's break this down step by step. First of all, open a centralized exchange that supports both Solana network and bank withdrawals in your country like Binance, Coinbase, or Kraken. Now go to your exchange, click deposit, choose the token you want to send, like Sol, select your coin, like Sol or Solana, network, then copy the deposit address, select a network, Solana, and get address and copy the address. This is the address where Phantom will send your funds. Now open your Phantom Wallet browser, extension, or mobile app. Look like that. Choose the token. Wait a minute. Uh, Now choose the token like Solana and tap send. In recipient address, paste the deposit address from the exchange. Double check that the address and network are correct. Sending to the wrong chain can result in a loss of funds. Enter the amount you want to send, then confirm and approve the transaction. Wait a few minutes for the transaction to complete. Once the funds arrive in your exchange wallet, it's time to sell them for fiat currency. Go to trade section from your dashboard or sell in your exchange platform. Then select token like Solana from here. Choose your local currency like USDC, USDT, or Euro, INR, etc. Enter the amount, confirm the sale. Now your wallet on the exchange will show the equivalent fiat balance. Next, go to withdraw from your exchange. Then choose your linked bank account or add a new one. Enter the amount you want to withdraw. Confirm the transaction. Go to overview, then withdraw. Now withdraw fiat. Choose your currency like USDT, or then select continue. Confirm the transaction depending on your country and exchange. Withdrawal time take withdrawal time can take from a few minutes to a few business days. Some platforms may charge a small fee. Check that in advance. Here are some important tips. Only send SOL or SPL tokens via the Solana network. Always, always check for minimum withdrawal amounts and fees. Avoid using tokens that are not supported on your exchange. Never share your Phantom private key or used phrase. And always verify your bank account is linked and verified before withdrawing. From Solana, create your wallet, click create wallet, then enter password and confirm password, then select copy the secret recovery phrase. After that, Phantom will show you a keyboard shortcut to quickly open the extension if needed. Select continue to proceed. Your wallet dashboard should now open. Because this is the first time that you have ever opened the wallet, there aren't any funds in your account. Proceed to step 2, deposit your SOL. Deposit Solana into your wallet. Go to your dashboard, then click deposit SOL, select Solana. But then a QR code will appear as a public wallet address. Use the QR code or address to spend a send SOL from any other exchange or wallet to the Phantom wallet. Once sent, your assets should be visible within seconds. So that's it. You're you have now learned how to create a Phantom wallet, then how to withdraw crypto from Phantom wallet to bank account using a centralized exchange like Binance. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment if you would like to like a tutorial or bridging Solana tokens or using DeFi cash out methods. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.